Hello everyone, welcome to Time Online Classes. Today in this session, we are going to discuss number series, exercise questions. In our previous session, we have discussed basics of number series. Now we are going to discuss number series exercise questions, and your material reference is SM 4041805 chapter 1. So if you have the handout with you, please open your handout, and the handouts are available on your student homepage. If you don't have the handout, don't worry anything. I am going to display each and every question on your screen. So kindly be ready with your notebook and pen. Reference is SM 4041805 and chapter 1, number series exercise. Fine. Now, once quickly revise the basics that we have discussed during the number series class. And in case if you have not watched the basics video, please do watch. Okay. And what are the rules that are followed in the number series? Consecutive logic. When are we going to apply the consecutive logic? Number themselves follows any specific pattern. We are going to apply the consecutive logic. And the second rule is difference logic. When are we going to apply the difference logic? Numbers are close to each other. We are going to apply the difference logic. Product logic. When are we going to apply the product logic? If the numbers are increasing rapidly, or there is a big jump from one number to another number, or the given number is a multiple of the other number, next number is a multiple of the previous number. In those cases, we are going to apply the product logic. And the fourth one is difference and product logic. Though it is increasing rapidly, here it is increasing slowly, we will apply difference, or gradually. Increasing gradually, we will apply difference. Increasing rapidly, we will apply product logic. Though it is increasing rapidly, but the next number is not a proper multiple of the previous number. Not a proper multiple, not an exact multiple. Then we are going to apply difference and product logic. All these points we have discussed during the basics class. Just I am giving the quick revision of that. Okay. Digit logic, we have discussed what kind of digit logic questions we will get, and alternate series. More number of numbers will be given in the series. Then you can understand the given series of alternate series. So these are the 6 rules that we have discussed during our basics class. Now let us see how the exercise questions to be solved. Okay. For all 25 questions, directions are same. That is, find the next number or missing number in the given series. Find the next number or missing number. It can be anyone. Find the next number or missing number in the given series. Now let's answer the questions. And before going to the questions, in our last class when we are discussing, I told you there are 3 important points which you need to by heart. One is prime numbers. There are first 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100 that you need to by heart. What are those prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and the only number between 90 and 100 is 97. So by heart in these prime numbers are very, very, very important. And squares. Perfect squares up to 30 and perfect cubes up to 15. I hope you have by hearted those numbers. What is the advantage that we have by hearting those numbers? By looking at the given example, you can decide that are these numbers are prime numbers, or are these numbers are squares or cubes. Easily you can identify. When you can identify easily, then you can answer the question quickly. Okay. And classification of numbers. What is the classification of numbers? Consecutive natural numbers, consecutive even numbers, consecutive odd numbers, consecutive prime numbers, consecutive composite numbers, consecutive non-prime numbers. Keep these points in your mind when you are answering questions of number series. Clear? Okay. Now move to the question number 1. 278, 279, 280, 281. I hope already you have spent some time on this paper to answer the questions. So let us go quickly. 278, 279, 280, 281. What are these numbers? Consecutive natural numbers. Next to 278 is 279. Next to 279 is 280. Next to 280 is 281. Next to 281 will be 282 consecutive natural numbers. So it comes under the logic of consecutive logic. Consecutive logic. And what are these numbers? Consecutive natural numbers. I am writing in the short form, consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers starting from 278 in the increasing order. In the increasing order. So what is our required answer? Choice 4, that is 282. And you no need to copy the given question and the choices. Just make a note of logic. Okay? Because already these are available in your handout. So just make a note of logic. Consecutive natural numbers. Or take a screenshot of the logic. Okay? Question number 2. 42, 44, 46, 48. What are these numbers? Are the number themselves follows any specific pattern? Observe it. 42, 44, 46, 48. Are the numbers themselves follows any specific pattern? Yes. What are these numbers? Even numbers. Consecutive even numbers starting from 42. 42, 44, 46, 48. Every alternate number is an even number starting from an even number. 42, 44, 46, 48. So what is the next even number after 48? 50. So what is the answer is 50. And what is the logic is? Consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers in increasing order. Consecutive even numbers in increasing order. So what is the required option? Choice 1. Choice 1 is my answer. Clear? Move to the question number 3. 57, 59, 61, 63. What are these numbers? 57, 59, 61, 63. 57 is an odd number. 59 is also an odd number. 61 is also an odd number. 63 is also an odd number. Are these numbers are consecutive odd numbers? Let's check it. 57 next odd is 59. 59 next odd is 61. 61 next odd is 63. So what will be the next? 65. So consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers logic. Consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. So what is the answer? Choice 3. Choice 3 is the required answer. Consecutive odd numbers. Clear? (19, 23, 29, 31). Try to recognize these numbers. 19, 23, 29, 31. All these numbers are odd numbers. It is okay. But are these consecutive odd numbers? No. At least alternate odd numbers, even it is not. Here it is alternate, but here to here it is not alternate. Again here it is consecutive. So I cannot apply the odd number logic. But if I observe more keenly, 19, 23, 29, 31 are consecutive prime numbers. So that is the advantage we have if you by heart the prime numbers. By looking at the numbers, you can recognize the numbers. Then you can answer quickly. 19 next prime number is 23. 23 next prime number is 29. 29 next prime number is 31. So the 31 next prime number. What is the next prime number to 31? 37. So what is our required answer? 37. Choice 2 is our answer. Clear? So choice 2. 37 is the required answer. And what is the logic is? Consecutive prime numbers. Consecutive prime numbers in increasing order. The given series is in the increasing form. It can be of increasing pattern or it can be of decreasing pattern. So here it is increasing pattern. So consecutive prime numbers in increasing order starting from 19. 19 next prime number 23. 23 next prime number 29. 29 next prime number 31. And the 31 next prime number is 37. Clear, dear students? Good. Move to the next question. 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22. Look at this. 15, 16 are the consecutive numbers. Okay. But 16, 18 are not consecutive. What is missing? 17 is missing. Okay. 18, 20 also not consecutive. Which is missing? 19 is missing. But 20, 21 consecutive. 21, 22 is also consecutive. But what are the missing numbers? 17 and 19 are missing. So which are prime numbers? So prime numbers missing. If prime numbers are missing, then what is the given series can be called as? Composite number series or non-prime number series. But what is the difference between the composite number series and non-prime number series? Except one. 1 is neither a prime nor composite. But in non-prime numbers, 1 also will come. Okay. So far we'll discuss this as a composite numbers. 17 and 19 are missing. So 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22. So next I need to take the composite number or non-prime number. So if I take the 23, 23 is the prime number. So I cannot take. So what is the next composite or non-prime number? 24. So what is my required answer? 24. So what is the logic is? Consecutive composite numbers. Consecutive composite numbers. So the given logic is consecutive composite numbers. So after 22, 24 is a composite number. How we are able to identify? We have observed the given numbers and we focused on the missing numbers. 17 and 19 are missing, which are nothing but prime numbers. So prime numbers missing is nothing but non-prime numbers or composite numbers. Okay, but what is the major difference between the composite numbers and non-prime numbers? In non-prime numbers, 1 also included, but in the composite numbers, 1 is not included. 1 is neither a prime nor composite. All the numbers which are non-prime, we can call it as a non-prime numbers. But the numbers which are not prime, we can call it as a composite, but there is an exception. 1 is neither a prime nor composite. So choice 2 is our answer, and 24 and choice 2 is the required answer. Clear? Now see the question number 6. Now 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Are the numbers themselves following any specific pattern? Look at even numbers, odd numbers. No, we have even numbers, we have odd numbers, even we have prime number. So we cannot apply that logic. Okay. Are the numbers are close to each other? Yes. Numbers are close to each other. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Numbers are very close to each other. Are the given numbers are in increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Increasing pattern. The given series is in increasing pattern and increasing gradually or rapidly? Gradually. Because the numbers are close to each other. There is a small jump from one number to another number. So increasing gradually, what is the logic that we are going to apply? Difference logic. So once check the difference logic. 1 and 2 difference is how much? 1 plus 1. 2 and 4, what is the difference is? 2. 4 and 7, what is the difference is? 3. 7 and 11, what is the difference is? 4. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. So what will be the next difference? Plus 5. So 11 plus 5, 16. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are these numbers? Natural numbers, consecutive natural numbers. So after 4 will be 5. So 11 plus 5, 16 is our required answer. So what is the logic that we are applying here? A difference. And the difference, the numbers which we have taken is under the category of which numbers? Classification of consecutive natural numbers. So what is the logic is? Difference is consecutive natural numbers. Difference is consecutive natural numbers. So 16 is choice 4. So my answer is choice 4. Clear? You are able to understand, right? Very good. Now move to the next one. Look at these. 2, 4, 7, 12. 2, 4, 7, 12. Are these numbers are increasing gradually or rapidly? Again gradually, because there is a numbers are close to each other. 2, 4, 7, 12. Very close to each other. And there is a small jump from one number to another number. So again the given series is in the increasing pattern and are increasing gradually. So what is the logic that we are going to apply? Difference logic. We are going to apply difference logic. You are able to follow me, right? Good. Now, what is the difference between 2 and 4? 2 plus 2. 4 and 7 increased by 3. 7 and 12 increased by 5. Now look at these numbers. What is the next difference I need to take? That I need to understand. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 5. It comes under which classification? Difference is fine. But which classification? What are these numbers? 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Next will be 7. Consecutive prime numbers. After 5 will be 7. 12 plus 7, 19 is my required answer. choice 2. So what is the logic is? Difference is consecutive prime numbers. Consecutive prime numbers starting from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on, 11, 13, so on. But ultimately you have understood the difference to be applied, and when you are checking for the difference, the numbers comes under the classification of prime numbers. So difference is consecutive prime numbers. Difference, consecutive prime numbers. Clear? How to check the logic? Okay. Choice 2 is my answer. See the question number 8. 1, 2, 6, 15. Let's see. Are the numbers are close to each other? Yes. These are very small numbers and are close to each other. What is the difference between 1 and 2? 1. Difference between 2 and 6? 4. Difference between 6 and 15? 9. So what should be the next difference? Okay. Now numbers are in increasing pattern. Numbers are in increasing pattern and are increasing gradually. So we will check for difference logic. Right. So 1, 4, 9. What will be the next? That is also important, right? So to identify the next difference, you need to understand what are these numbers. 1 is 1 square, 4 is 2 square, and the 9 is 3 square. So what should be next? 1, 2, 3. Consecutive natural numbers. So after 3, 4, and the logic is square, 16. So the next difference will be 16. So 15 plus 16 will be how much? 31. So what is my required answer? 31. And what is the difference is? Difference is consecutive natural number squares. Consecutive natural number squares. Difference is consecutive natural numbers squares. Clear? Okay. So what is the required answer? Choice 4. Choice 4. So first we have understood the logic as a difference, and when we are checking the logic, we got plus 1, plus 4, plus 9. To understand the next number, what to be done? What are these numbers to be identified? That is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. After 3 will be 4, consecutive natural number. And the logic applied, square, 4 square, 16. Clear? Move to the next question. Question number 9. 42, 14, 1, 39, 36, 32. So given series is in increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Decreasing pattern. The given series is in decreasing pattern. Okay, no issue, decreasing pattern. Decreasing gradually or rapidly? Gradually. There is a small jump. There is a small decreasing in from one number to the next number. So decreasing gradually. So decreasing gradually, again we are going to check the logic in difference. Okay. So 42, 41, how much it is reduced by? Minus 1. 41, 39, minus 2. 39, 36, minus 3. 36, 32, minus 4. So decreased by 1, decreased by 2, decreased by 3, decreased by 4. What should be the next? 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes under which classification? Consecutive natural numbers. So next to 4 will be 5. So 32 minus 5, which is 27. So what is our required answer? 27. That is choice 1. So what I can say that here, difference is consecutive natural numbers. Difference is consecutive natural numbers in decreasing order. Okay, no, difference is consecutive natural numbers. The given series is in decreasing pattern. Difference is consecutive natural numbers. Clear? So choice 1. See the question number 10. 77, 72, 62, 57, 47, 42. Once look at these numbers. Again, one number to the given series is in a decreasing pattern. The given series is in decreasing pattern. Decreasing gradually or rapidly. 71 to 77 to 72, decreasing gradually. Again gradually. So what I can confirm that decreasing gradually. If it is decreasing gradually, what is the logic that we are going to apply? Difference logic. If the given series is decreasing gradually, we are going to apply difference logic. 77, 72 minus 5. 72, 62 minus 10. 62, 57 minus 5. 57, 47 minus 10. Now can you able to understand the pattern? Alternately decreased by 5 and alternately reduced by 10. So 47, 42 minus 5. So what will be next? Minus 10, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5. Next will be minus 10. So 42 minus 10 will be how much? 32. So what is my required answer? 32. That is choice 2. Alternately reduced by 5 and alternately decreased by 10. So choice 2 is our required answer. Clear? Please understand that what is our approach in approaching the given question. Okay. Look at the given numbers. 24, 22. Okay. These are given in braces or brackets. Let's see. Now, you may think in two ways. So one is, it may be of alternate series. If it is not alternate series, I will tell you how we need to deal with this kind of questions. Okay. Now, look at, you may be understanding one pattern here. 24, 22, 20, 18. Reduced by 2. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. This is one basic pattern that we know that if more number of numbers are given, we can apply the alternate series. There is no issue. But what about this? 8 to 4 is okay. Minus 4. 4 minus 4 is okay. So 0 minus 4, it should be minus 4. But is it available in the choices? No. So I cannot apply this logic. But here, I can clearly see that 24 minus 2, 22 minus 2, 20 minus 2. But if I check the logic in the same way for the next number, I am not getting the answer. So don't check this way. Think in the another way. Here it is okay. But they are not asking to find that what will come after 18. If it is after 18, it will be 16. But they are not asking for this number. So they are given question mark here. So we need to identify what is this number. So 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 minus 4. It should be minus 4. But minus 4 is not there in the choices. So definitely we should not think in this way. So think in a different way. That is, what is this 2 into 4? 8. What is the first pair? 24, 8. The digits in the number are multiplied. So 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. So it comes under digit logic. So the digit logic can also be given in this form. Okay. And again, look at the second pair. What is the second pair? 22 and 4. What are the digits? 2 and 2. So 2 into 2. It is how much? 4. Now look at here. What is the next pair? 20, 0. So digits 2 into 0. Digits are multiplied. So 2 into 0 is how much? 0. Perfectly matching. Now what it should be? 18. At next number. What are the digits? 1 and 8. So 1 into 8 will be how much? 8. So what is the missing number? 8. Missing number is 8. So choice 4 is my answer. Are you clear with the logic? If they ask for the next pair, then it will be 16. 1 into 6 will be how much? 6. But they are not asking for the next pair. Within a pair, they given one missing number. Okay. And if they ask for the next pair, then this alternate also will help us. 24, 22, 20, 18. Then it will be 16. Consecutive even numbers in decreasing order. But here it is not helpful. Okay. Clear with the logic? Okay. So choice 4 is our required answer. Digit logic. This question comes under digit logic. Digits are multiplied to get the next number. Now 12. 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. It is clearly understand. We can understand. 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? 5. This type of question we also discussed during the basics. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So first two digits are added to the next number. Again, two consecutive digits are added to get the next number. So 3 plus 5, 8. And again 5 plus 8, 13. Now what should be next? 8 plus 13 will give you the required answer. That is 21. Okay. And it is also comes under digit logic. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 20. So sum of these two is the third number. Sum of these two is the next number. Sum of these two is the next number. So sum of these two will be 21. Digit logic. This kind of logic we discussed during the basis class also. Please try to recollect what we have discussed during the basis class. Okay. Choice 2 is our answer, 21. Clear? See the question number 13. See the question number 13. Oh, it is a new kind of question. Okay. So far we have not seen this kind of question. Here how many rows, how many series are given? 3 series. Series 1, series 2 and series 3. So whatever we have understand, we are going to understand in the given 2 series, the same logic has to be applied in the third series to get the required answer. Okay. Now let us identify the logic in the first series. 89, 72, 14, 8. What could be the logic? Tell me. 89, 72. 89, 72. Can I say that 8 into 9, the digits are multiplied 8 and 9 to get the 72. 8 into 9 is 72. The same is taken here. Okay. And what are the digits here? 7 and 2. So 7 into 2 is 14. The same 14 is taken as the next number. Now 1 and 4. What are the digits here? 1 and 4. 1 into 4? 4. Perfectly matching. The same number is taken here. So product, we are doing first product of the digits and then that we are taking the resultant as a next number. 7 into 14, the resultant is the next number. 1 into 4, 4, that is the next number. So similarly, let us check it whether it is correct or wrong in the second series. 7 and 8, 56, yes, it is the next number. 5 and 6, 5 into 6, 30, yes, it is the next number. 3 into 0, 0, yes, it is the next number. So apply the same logic, whatever we have understood in the first series and the second series. 6 into 8 will give the next number. 6 into 8, 48. And 4 into 8, the resultant is 32, it is the next number. Now it should be 3 into 2. So what is the required answer? 6. So choice 4. Digits are multiplied and the resultant is taken as the next number. So answer is choice 4. A different kind of logic. You are being exposed to different kinds of logics here. Okay. Once you are unable to answer the question, don't get demotivated. Try to learn the new logics and when you see the new question, try to implement it. Okay. Now, question number 14. Again, look at these numbers. 8, 9, 47, 11. Can I go ahead with the alternate series? Look at more number of numbers are given. So generally we may check with the alternate logic. 18 and 47. 47, 58. 58, 64. Again increasing. Decreasing, increasing. Again increasing. Again decreasing. Can you see any pattern? No, I can't see any pattern. So within the brackets, try to identify the logic. Earlier we have observed the digit logic, right? So try to apply the digit logic here also. Let's check it that whether we are going to get the correct answer or not. What are the sum of the digits in the number 8 and 9? 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Perfectly matching. 4 plus 7 is perfectly matching 11. 5 plus 8, sum of the digits, which is equal to 13. Perfectly matching. So what they taken? Sum of the digits. In the given pair, left side the digits in the left side number are added to get the second number. So 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. Perfectly matching. So what should be the required answer? 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. So my answer is 9. So choice 1. Choice 1 is the required answer. Again here the logic is a digit logic. So the same kind of logic we have observed with the product of the digits. Now here it is given sum of the digits. Okay. So the required answer is choice 1, 9. It is in choice 1. Sum of the digits. Logic is sum of the digits. Okay. 15th one. 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay. What are these numbers? 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. Look at this. 3, 5, it is a prime pair. 5, 7 is a prime pair. 11, 13 is also prime pair. Right. 3, 5 is a prime pair. 5, 7 is also the prime pair. 1113 is also prime pair. So what should be the next prime pair? Can we take alternate prime number? I mean like 3, 5, 5, 7. It is not 7, 11. If it is a 7, 11, my answer may be next 11, 13. So it is not that kind of logic. So what is the more specialties given in this question? That is important to understand. 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. So what should be the next prime pair? Look at here. 13, 15, it is not a prime pair. 15, 17, not a prime pair. 19, 21, not a prime pair. What is the only remaining pair is 17 and 19. So my answer will be required 17, 19. Here all whatever we have taken are prime numbers in that group. 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. So the next group will be 17, 19. So the required answer is choice 3. Pair of prime numbers are taken 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. It is the only option matching with that. Okay. Now move to the next one. 16. 224, 336, 448, 560. Let's see how this question will be answered. Generally, whenever we see this kind of questions, first we are going to apply the alternate series only. In the alternate series, if you are unable to understand the exact pattern, then you may be applying the digit logic or something else. Okay. Once look at these numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive natural numbers. So next to 5 will be 6. Okay. There are two options starting with 6. So choice 3 and choice 4 are ruled out. Okay. 24, 36. How much it is increased by? Plus 12. 36, 48. Increased by 12. 48, 60. Increased by 12. So what will be next? 60 plus 12. Which is how much? 72. 6, 72 is the required answer. So here it is perfectly matching. So logic in the first series is what? Logic in the first series is consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers. What is the logic in the second series? Increased by 12. Each number is increased by 12 to get the next number. 24 plus 12, 36. 36 plus 12, 48. 48 plus 12, 60. 60 plus 12, 72. So choice 2 is my required answer. So choice 2. Clear? And please keep noting down parallelly. Okay? Alternate series. What is the logic applied here? Alternate series. Even in the earlier digit logic cases also, first we applied the alternate. We are unable to find out the logic exactly in that way. So then we have moved to the next logic. Right? Okay. Now, 17th one. Now it seems like some calendar based question. 9 to 2016, 16 to 2016, 23 to 2016. How many days are there from here to here? 7 days. How many days are there from here to here? 7 more days. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. So most of them will commit the mistake here. If it is a 23 plus 7, you will feel that it is 30. But which month it is given? February month. Which month it is given? February month. So February month consists of either 28 days or 29 days. When it will be having 28 days? In the non-leap year. In the non-leap year. When it will be having 29 days? In the leap year. So is the 2016 is a leap year or non-leap year? It is a leap year. How can we say that? The last two digits taken together divided by 4. Then that year will be called as a what? Leap year. So 2016 is divided by 4. So it is a leap year. So 2016 is a leap year. So leap year is nothing but February month will consist of how many days? 29 days only. So if I add this 7, I can write in the form of plus 6 plus 1. Right. 6 plus 1. So 23 plus 6, 29 is absolutely okay. And one more day which leads to 1st March 2016. So the answer is what? 0103 2016, that is choice 3. Because of February month. Otherwise it would be 30 only. As it is a February month and it is a leap year. So it consists of 29 days. So 23 plus 7 actually 30. But we have only 29 days. So the one more day will be taken in the month next month. So that is 01/03/2016. Clear? So choice 3 is our answer. Fine. Now move to the next question. 1, 4, 13, 14. The given numbers are in increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Increasing pattern. And if there is a small jump or big jump from one number to another number, look at here, 13, 40 means there is a big jump. So one number to another number, there is a big jump. So it is increasing rapidly. And is it a proper multiple, 13, 40? No, it is nearer to that multiple, but not proper multiple. 13, 3 is a 39. But what is given? 40. So it is not exact multiple. So increasing rapidly, but not exact multiple. So what is the logic that we are going to apply? Product and difference logic together. Okay. So maximum it goes how many times? 3 times. 13, 3 is a 39 plus 1. Now 4 and 13 same. 4, 3 is a 12 plus 1. 1 and 4 I can write in the same way. 1 into 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, perfectly matching. So what is the logic is? Into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, into 3 plus 1. Next also will be the same logic, into 3 plus 1. 40 into 3 is 120 plus 1, 121. So what is our required answer? 121, choice 4. And the logic is into 3 plus 1. So difference and product applied together. The given series is an increasing pattern, but it is no next number is not a proper multiple of the previous number. Then we can apply the product and difference logic. So what is that? Product into 3, difference plus 1. So into 3 plus 1 is our required logic. So choice 4. Clear? Now move to the next question. 3, 5, 9, 17. Is it increasing rapidly or slowly? We can say that increasing slowly as well as we can say increasing rapidly also. We'll check in both the ways. 3 and 5. How much is increased by? Plus 2. 5 and 9 plus 4. 9 and 17, 18. Once look at these numbers. 2, 4, 8. Can you correlate these numbers? Again look at 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. If it is the case, what should be next? 8 into 2, 16. So 17 plus 16, 33. Is it available in the choices? Yes. So I am able to identify my answer using the difference of difference. Means once I applied the difference and again also I applied the difference. That is nothing but multiplied by 2. Into 2 into 2 into 2. So how many steps are required? 2. In 2 steps we did. Okay. The same question we can do it in another way. Let's see. 3, 5, 9, 17. It is 2 plus 2. It is plus 4. And it is plus 8. Again check the difference of the difference. Plus 2. Plus 4. So what should be next? Plus 6. So 8 plus 6. 14. Plus 2 plus 4. Consecutive numbers. So 2, 4, 6. Okay. So if I do 2, 4, 6. 18 plus 6. Sorry. 8 plus 6. 14. So 17 plus 4. 14. 31 is my answer. Is it available in the choices? No. Okay. The same question you can do in another way. 3, 5, 9, 17 blank. Here to here it is plus 2. And here to here it is plus 4. And here it is plus 8. Now let's observe the difference of the difference. Plus 2 plus 4. So here to here it is exactly twice. So again the twice it may be plus 8, 4, 8. 4 to the 8. 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. So 8 plus 8, 16. 17 plus 16, 33. So I can do it in this way also. Not only this way, I can do it in another way. That is 3, 5, 9, 17. 9 and 18 I can write in the form of into 2 minus 1. 9 to the 18 minus 1. 5 and 9. 5 to the 10 minus 1. 3 and 5. 3 to the 6 minus 1. So we can also write in the form of what? Into 2 minus 1. Difference and product combination. Right. So applying the same 17 into 2 minus 1. 17 to the 34 minus 1. 33. So in any case my answer remains same. So what is the required answer? 33. In the one case I got the 31 but it is not available in the choices. So what is the answer I can freeze? Choice 2, 33. Clear? So please note down these logics. choice 2. Logic 1, logic 2, different ways of thinking, 4. Okay. Now move to the next question. 81, 100, 121. 81, 100, 121. Can you able to recognize these numbers? 81, 100, 121. 81 is which number square? 9 square. 100 is 10 square. 121 is 11 square. Now what is the next one? Look at this. 9, 10, 11. Consecutive natural numbers. So after 11 will be 12. And the logic is square. 12 square, which is 144. So choice 4 is our answer. 144. Choice 4. Consecutive squares of consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers. Squares of consecutive natural numbers starting from 9. Clear? Let's see the question number 21. What are the given numbers? 27, 64, 125. Can you able to recognize these numbers? 27, 64, 125. Very good. 27 is 3 cube, 64 is 4 cube, and 125 is 5 cube. 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. What is the next number cube? 3, 4, 5. Comes under which classification? Consecutive natural numbers 3, 4, 5. So what will be next? 6. So 6 cube is 216. So what is the required answer? 216. That is choice 1. What is the logic is? Cubes of consecutive natural numbers. Cubes of consecutive natural numbers. Cubes of consecutive natural numbers. So the answer is choice 1. 3, 4, 5. Next is 6, consecutive natural number. 3, 4, 5 comes under the classification of consecutive natural numbers. Next. Now look at this number. 8, 8, 9, 7, 10, 6. Once look at in this way, alternate way. 8, 9, 10. Look at. So increased by 1, increased by 1. Now look at here. 8, 7, 6. 8 to 7 minus 1, 7 to 6 minus 1. We can see the proper pattern, right? So alternately increasing by 1, alternately decreasing by 1. So what is the next alternate should be? Next alternate to 10 we need to take, and the logic is plus 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 is the required answer. Choice 3. So alternately increasing by 1, alternately decreasing by 1. So what is the required answer? Choice 3, 11. Alternately increased by 1 and alternately decreased by 1. Alternately increased by 1, alternately decreasing by 1. So here also why I am applying means more number of digits I can see. More number of numbers I can see. Generally we can see 3 to 4 or 4 to 5. But here I can see 6 and one more number is asked to find. So total of 7. So that I can understand that this is an alternate series. But it need not to be correct in all the cases. But this is one of the logic that we can apply if you see more number of numbers. Clear? Okay. Now look at this. Very easy question, but typical one. I mean typical to understand. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Look at 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Consecutive digits. Right. So 2, 3, 4. And again starting with these two digits, 3, 4, 5. Starting with these two digits, 4, 5, 6. You are able to understand? Good. Now, in this one, last two digits are 5, 6. So starting with 5, 6, next number is 7. Next digit is 7. So now here, last two digits are what? 6 and 7. So by taking 6 and 7, what is the next one? 8. So 678. So what is my answer? 678. Or the other way we can say, as the numbers are close to each other, 234 to 345 increased by 111. 345 to 456 increased by 111. 456 to 567 increased by 111. Now applying the same logic. 567 plus 111. 678. Either you can think in this way or you can think in this way. Okay. Both the logics are correct. And in both the cases my answer is 678. So choice 3. 234 and the last two digits are considered 34, 345. Last two digits are considered 45, 456. Last two digits are considered 56, 567. Last two digits are considered 67, 678. It is our required answer. Clear? Good. So choice 3. Fine. Move to the next question. 11, 24, 13, 9, 4, 16. When I am reading the numbers, I can see the logic. It is clearly visible. And even this kind of logic we discussed during the basic class also. Look at these numbers. 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. 1 and it is 1 square. 2, 2 square. 3, 3 square is a 9. 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. And 4 and the next one is 4 square taken together. 1, 1 square taken together, 2, 2 square taken together, 3, 3 square taken together, 4, 4 square taken together. So what will be next? 5, 5 square. So 5 and 5 square is 25. So 525 will be our answer. Choice 1. So what is the logic is? Digit logic again. Digit logic and n square taken together. n square taken together. Starting with 1, natural numbers, where n is a natural number. Where n is natural number. Starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 1, 1 square, 2, 2 square, 3, 3 square, 4, 4 square, 5, 5 square. So required answer is 525, which is in choice 1. Choice 1. Clear? Now last question. Let's see the question number 25. What are the numbers given? 6, 9, 13, 16, 21, 25, 31, 34. More number of numbers are given. So this can be the logic of alternate series. Let's check it. 6, 13, 13, 21, 21, 31, one alternate. 9, 16, 16, 25, 25, 34. Let's identify the logic. 6 plus 7, 13, plus 8, 21, okay, plus 10. So what is the next? That is also very important, right? Okay, let's check the difference of the difference. Plus 1, plus 2. So it may be a next plus 3, or it can also be plus 4. It can also be plus 4. Okay. Why it is plus 3 means, if I take consecutive natural numbers, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 are consecutive natural numbers. If I take 1, 2, 4, 1, 2 is a 2, 2, 2 is a 4. I may take in that way also. Okay. So this could be 13 or it can be 14. 31 plus 13 will give the result 44. 31 plus 14 will give the result 45. But is any of these is available in the choices? No. So definitely this is not the logic. And so what I can confirm that I cannot go ahead with the alternate series. So what is the logic that is given in this question? It is a very typical question and a difficult question. Let me explain that. This 6 is 2 plus 4. Here 2 is the first prime. Here 2 is the first prime. And 4 is the first composite. First composite. Okay. Clear? 2 is the first prime number and 4 is the first composite. Now applying the same, next prime, second prime. What is the second prime? What is the second prime? 3 plus, what is the second composite after 4? 6. So 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Clear? You are able to understand now? Now next is third prime plus third composite. Third prime plus third composite. What is the third prime? 2, 3, 5. And composite after 6 composite is 8. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. That is equal to 13. Okay. Now look at the 16. 16 is fourth prime plus fourth composite. Fourth prime plus fourth composite. Here P stands for prime, C stands for composite. What is the fourth prime? 2, 3, 5 are taken. Now it is 7. Now fourth composite. What are the composite numbers I have taken so far? 4, 6, 8. So next will be 9. 9 is the composite. So 7 plus 9, 16. Perfectly matching here. Now the next will be 21. 21 is fifth prime plus fifth composite. What is the fifth prime? After 7, 11. What is the fifth composite? After 9, 10. So fifth prime is 11, fifth composite is 10. So 11 plus 10, 21. Perfectly matching. Can you able to understand the pattern? Now what should be next? Sixth prime plus sixth composite. Sixth prime plus sixth composite. What is the sixth prime? After 11, 13. After 10 composite, 12. So 13 plus 12, which is equal to 25. Perfectly matching. So what should be next? Seventh prime plus seventh composite. Seventh prime plus seventh composite. What is the seventh prime number? What is the seventh prime number? After 13, 17 is a prime. What is the composite? After 12, 14 is a composite. So 17 plus 14, which is 31. Seventh prime plus seventh composite. Now what should be this? Eighth prime plus eighth composite. Eighth composite. After 17 prime is 19. After 14 composite is 15. So 19 plus 15, which is perfectly 34, matching. So what should be my answer number? Ninth prime plus ninth composite. After 19 prime number is 23. After 15 composite is 16. So 23 plus 16, which is how much? 39. So what is the required answer? Choice 4. And the logic is first prime, first composite taken together as the first number. Second prime, second composite. Third prime, third composite. Fourth prime, fourth composite. Fifth prime, fifth composite, and so on. So to get the answer, ninth prime and ninth composite has to be taken. So that is 23 plus 16, which is 39. So as I already told you at the beginning, it is a very difficult logic. Please observe this logic, and if it is required, try to implement it. Clear? Okay. So please keep practicing the more number of questions. If you get any doubts, get back to us. Thank you for joining the session. Have a nice day.